let's say we're gonna pick something like riser, right? For the pre-chorus. There's a long list of very cool stuff. Let's see. So if you stick this in, you take this and you stick it in by the last bar of the pre-chorus, right over here. I'm gonna bring up the volume a little bit. So I'm gonna pull this out, bring it up so we can hear it. Let's play. That's a very in sound. Let's try to find something longer. A little noisy. That's not for us. Let's see what else. This is very cool. This has a side chain to every one of the beat. So it goes in and out when the one goes down. And this can run for the entire pre-chorus. So let's listen. And so you anticipate the next part of the song. Cut it out here. That's a really cool function too. You can try to put shakers into your song. Searching shakers, let's see what we get. Logic is going to tell you like the approximate tempo of what this was built as, and then it's going to also coordinate with the tempo of your session. This is pretty sleepy. This is a full groove. You can use this for a song actually. This can be the drum for your song. Let's try shaker without an S. Oh, here we go. This can work in our chorus. Let's pull it into the chorus. I put it on the same track, but really you should open a new track. So here we are. You see how that shaker just brings everything together? It keeps time, it's solid, it complements the hi-hats, it complements the bass. It's just an easy plug and play. You just copy paste it to the second chorus. You can probably keep this for the rest of the song at this point because they're all choruses. Even in the chorus where it was just drums, listen. That's the next one. Let's go to the shtick chorus here. That's really cool. And all you did is you pulled it in from the library. There's a ton of stuff here that you can play with. You can search, you can go by genre or by instrument. Like here you have shakers, congas. This can totally work for our song.